Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So today we are going to discuss another kind of problem where we can apply algebra. Just to recall what we had done so far, we had discussed already clock problems, word problems, percent problems, numeric word problems, or number-based problems, or simply called it as number problem or number problems. And the latest so far that we have discussed was the rate problems. Problems that talks about distance, rate or speed, and time. So today we are going to discuss about age problem. So this is one of the difficult problems that students find out when they learn algebra. But this time I will teach you how to solve them. What's the strategy that we're going to apply to make it easier for you to solve. Just remember two things in solving algebra problems. So number one, if only one individual involved, the problem is analogous to an integer problem. So to figure out the relationship between the numbers, just carefully read the problem. This is demonstrated in the single person instances. Okay? Then the second one is if two or more people are there in the age problem or age dilemma, employing a table is an excellent option. So a table will assist you in organizing the data and writing the equations. Okay, so just wait for the videos about age problems that I'm going to upload very soon. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, everyone.